Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by collecting parts and making the first connections so the circuit can be tested safely. Plug the Arduino, power supply, and actuator onto your breadboard. Place the diode across the solenoid and the MOSFET between solenoid and ground to protect the board. Once done, wire the door switch to a digital input with a 10K pull-down and add a 0. 1 micro F cap across 5V to reduce noise. This prevents false triggers and protects components while you move to coding. Now you load the control logic onto the Arduino and explain why each part matters. Configure the input pin with debouncing to avoid chatter, and set your output as PWM if using a servo or digital for a solenoid driver. Implement a simple state machine, locked, unlocking, unlocked, relocking, so the system behaves predictably and recovers from errors. Once flashed, test using short pulses and serial debugging to observe transitions. This helps tune timings, and finish by mounting the actuator and enclosing electronics, because mechanical alignment and safety complete the project. Bolt the solenoid or servo so the latch travels freely, adjust limit switches, and verify clearance to avoid binding. Make sure the circuit is in a ventilated, non-conductive box and include a 1,2A fuse on the supply to prevent damage. Finally, run repeated lock-unlock cycles while monitoring voltage and current. If it fails, check wiring, watch for stalled motor current, and add retries or a safety timeout to recover.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.